Yaowarat Chinatown. Tasty food you shouldn't miss. Enter the fascinating world of Bangkok's Yaowarat Chinatown, a food lover's street food paradise that is popular with both visitors and locals. This article has got you covered, with recommendations of 9 dishes you should try in Yaowarat Road, the heart of Bangkok's Chinatown. Take in the bustling scene that is full of bright lights, active street food vendors, and the delicious smells of street cuisine. As you explore the diversity of food stalls, get ready to test your palate. What food should you try at Yaowarat Chinatown? 1. Grilled squid at Nong Gai and Nong Khao Grilled squid. Look no further than Nong Gai and Nong Khao Grilled squid Yaowarat, Nung Kay and Nung Kia Plamak Yang, if you're looking for great snack. Customers wait patiently in line for the restaurant's fresh, different-sized squid. The delicious squid is grilled to perfection, and the special seafood dipping sauce is the ideal complement. The sauce offers a delightful kick for people who enjoy a little spice. Don't worry about freshness because the daily mountain of piled squid is always sold out due to the strong demand. Opening times: daily 5:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m., closed on Mondays. 2. Deep fried dough sticks at Pla Tong Go Savoy. In every sense, Pla Tong Go Savoy, Pathung Ko Sui, is not to be missed for its delectable deep fried dough sticks, known as Pla Tong Go. Prepared daily from freshly made dough, these crispy, hot, and irresistibly delicious snacks are neither oily nor greasy. Recognized as one of the best locations to enjoy this local favorite, you can elevate your experience by dipping the fried dough sticks into steamed custard and condensed milk. It makes sense why it was mentioned in the Michelin Guide. 3. Kway Chap Pork Noodle Soup at Kway Chap Nai Lek Yuan. The immensely popular Kway Chap Nai Lek Yuan, Kway Kab Na Si Nai Lek, Exon, is a street food vendor in Yaowarat Chinatown that residents appreciate for its distinctive peppery soup. The soup is served with kway chap, rolled noodles, with a choice of 6 different pork organs for flavor and texture: crispy pork belly, liver, heart, kidney, tongue, and pork flesh. While there may be a queue to get a table, your patience will be rewarded with prompt service, guaranteeing that your meal is provided in a matter of minutes. Note that there are other branches around the city as well. 4. Pork satay at Chong Ki Pork Satay. The popularity of Chong Ki Pork Satay, Chung Ki Mu Satay, is undeniable, attracting groups of locals seeking a quick bite or those looking to complement other dishes from neighboring eateries. Known for its exceptional pork satay, marinated in a secret recipe, the tender and flavorful skewers are served with peanut sauce and a side plate of pickled cucumbers, red onions, and non-spicy green chilies. This tasty combination makes it one of the best pork satay options in town, perfect for snacking. Opening times: Tuesdays to Sundays 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Mondays 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. 5. Sizzling mussel omelets at Krua Porn Lamai. Enjoy a delicious taste of Thai cuisine at the local favorite Krua Porn Lamai, Kro Pha Lamai. Known for its hot plates, must-tries include their famous hoi tord, a sizzling mussels and bean sprouts omelette, and rad na ta lei, a tantalizing mix of prawns, squid, chicken, and vegetables with stir-fried white rice noodles. As you would have to eat from sizzling hot plates in Bangkok's hot humid weather, be prepared to break a sweat. 6. Sweet desserts at Sweet Time Yaowarat. A well-known dessert spot in Chinatown, Sweet Time charms consumers with its small yet endearing setup of 2 carts. As the initial location of the franchise, this location continues to attract both Thai and foreign clients. Sweet Time's well-regarded selections of beverages and desserts include Bua Loy with fresh milk, and Tub Tim Krob. Known for using real fresh milk, their tasty creations are sure to satisfy. Don't pass up the chance to savor this shop's treats and experience its genuine charm. 7. Fish balls at Yu Fishball Yaowarat. Yu Fishball, Yu Luk Chin Pla Yi Rak, is a popular eatery specializing in fish balls for over 80 years. Known for its delicious fish ball dishes, it serves numerous noodle combinations, Thai side dishes, drinks, and desserts. The vibrant location and well-rounded menu ensure a satisfying meal, and the English menu with pictures ensures ease of ordering for foreigners. Be sure to try the fried fish balls and fried taro rolls along with your noodles for a tasty light bite and immersive Chinatown dining experience. 8. Soft-boiled blood cockles at Pa Jin's Clams. Pa Jin's Clams, Jin's Clam Pa Si Nhxc Kaang Lauk, is a standout seafood restaurant known for its quality boiled cockles. The restaurant offers fresh, sizable catches that are free of fishy odors at affordable costs that guarantee value for your money. Despite their unappealing appearance, blood cockles are a wonderful treat that seafood enthusiasts will definitely enjoy, whilst others might prefer cooked mussels. The restaurant offers a wonderful opportunity to savor scrumptious street food seafood in Bangkok's Yaowarat Chinatown. 9. Toasted bread at Tasty Toasted Bread Yaowarat. A toasted bun with a sweet spread may not appear exciting at first, but Thais enjoy foods that are highly sweet, therefore this is a common street dish in the heart of Yaowarat Road. It's difficult to resist eating one of these toasted buns, which are very affordable and have a distinctive charcoal flavor because they are cooked on a charcoal grill. There are a total of 8 fillings available at the Tasty Toasted Bread stall. Kampang Sia XRXE Dead Yirak, including sugar butter, strawberry, marmalade, pineapple, chocolate, chipotle, egg custard, and milk. Even if they aren't a culinary highlight, trying one is unquestionably fun and memorable. Yaowarat Chinatown in Bangkok is teeming with delicious street food options that entice both tourists and residents. So what are you waiting for? Visit Yaowarat Chinatown today to try these 9 recommended dishes. Also, keep in mind that there are many other delectable food alternatives in Yaowarat's lively streets, so make sure to enjoy the diversity of the city's street food culture.